Hello students, welcome back to your own channel, that is Unique Learning. Today I am covering a topic which is related to your UGC NET Environmental Science paper 2, and this part can come in paper 1 also. As UGC NET exam is nearby, there are almost only about 10 days for the UGC NET and admit card. Everybody is waiting for the admit cards. So we can revise some portions which are very important for this NET exam. So I have taken some topics, that is some important environmental agreements which can come in your paper 2 environmental science and also in paper 1 people and environment part. So it's a very important topic. So let's go to the topic. I have taken few conventions and I am telling you the dates where it happened, and you have to remember this because these are very important conventions. So we should know one very important convention, that is for climate change. It happened in Kyoto, Japan, and that convention name is Kyoto Protocol. Its year of convention is also very important, that is 1997. And why it was done? For greenhouse gas emission reduction. So this is very important convention in which about 160 countries took part. It is a United Nations convention, and this was done as a follow-up of the Earth Summit which happened in the year 1992, and this Earth Summit was held in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. So in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil, in the Earth Summit in 1992, there was given an Agenda 21, and in which Convention on Biodiversity and Convention on Climate Change were the two topics which were mainly considered. So after that, in another 5 years, what are the things done? That was discussed in Kyoto Protocol, which was held in 1997. So that's why Kyoto Protocol is considered to be a follow-up of Earth Summit, which was held in 1992. So it's also said to be an Earth Summit plus 5, you can say, Kyoto Protocol. So these things you have to remember. Then there is another convention, that is Minamata Convention, which was held on mercury pollution in the year 2013. Now why this is important? Because Minamata disease is a disease which occurs due to pollution of mercury in water bodies, and that's why this convention was held in the year 2013 to discuss about the issue of mercury pollution. Then another convention which is generally asked in the previous year papers, it is asked. So I am discussing these important conventions only. So let's see this convention, that is Ramsar Convention. It was held in Ramsar and it was on wetlands of the world, and it was held in the year 1971. I hope all of you know what are the wetlands. So conservation of the wetlands was discussed in this convention, which was held in the year 1971. Then ozone layer protection. Now this video I am uploading on 16th of September. 16th September, I think all of you know, it is the World Ozone Day. That is the day when it's discussed all over the world that we have to protect the ozone layer. So that's why this ozone layer protection conventions also become more important on today's date, that is 16th September. 16th September date you have to remember because it can come in your current affairs also. That is, what is the importance of 16th September? 16th September, International Day of Ozone Layer Protection. You have to remember this. So we have some conventions related to ozone layer. Now ozone, what is ozone? If you don't know, you can go over to my videos which are there on ozone layer. What is ozone and why ozone depletion is occurring? That all is discussed in my previous videos. So you can all go and check those videos and understand, and even the pollutants which are causing the ozone layer, that is ozone layer hole, that is being discussed in those videos. So air pollution related videos you should see, which is very important topic. Then ozone layer depletion. Then Visakhapatnam, there was a serious damage, serious air pollution. Something related to air pollution was released in Visakhapatnam. There was a accident. So related to that also there is a video. So all of these videos you should watch and you should understand from there. So let's go over to this, that is Vienna Convention. It was held in 1985, that was for ozone layer protection. Then Montreal Protocol was held in 1987. So these all are important. Then Freshwater Resources Convention was held in Helsinki in 1992. Fresh water is a very major concern. So these things are very important for this coming UGC NET exam. That is for People and Environment paper 1 part as well as the paper 2 Environmental Science paper also. These things are very important. So you should go over through these points, and in my other videos I will discuss on a daily basis some of the other conventions and these important dates which can come in your current affairs also. So stay tuned to your own channel, that is Unique Learning. Hope all of you have subscribed to the channel. I will also discuss some important questions which have come in the UGC NET exams in the previous years. So stay tuned. Happy learning. Thank you for watching.